Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to show you how to use the Apple Watch SE. First of all, note that there is an app for your iPhone which will let you change all kinds of things, which there's a massive amount of things, but we're going to go for the watch stuff. So basically on the watch we have two buttons that we can actually use that actually do three functions or more. First, we have the digital crown, which we can click, and that takes us to basically unlocking the watch. But also if we have the watch locked and we moved it, let's say we go ahead and move it, it would actually wake up by tapping. So we can click the wheel, but we can also click it again. And as you saw, now we are in the grid. So we can go ahead and open any kind of app. Let's say we want to open the running app. That's how we would do it. And then here we can just scroll with our finger, and we can press if we want to do a race and cancel if we want to cancel. And then if we want to basically do anything here, let's see, because it started, let's stop that race. To go back to the menu, as you saw, we press again, and we could also press again to go into the watch face, but we could also press once and then also zoom into it. As you can see, I basically turn the digital crown to make it bigger, and it takes you into the app that you are. But if we are not in the middle, it just takes you to the watch. And then we have the button on the side. The button on the side does multiple things. First of all, we can do a long press, and will let us power off or SOS. Let's say we don't want to do any of that. We could also press it, and then it goes to different apps that we have open, so we can scroll. And we could also scroll with the digital crown. And then we can go back, and we can do double click. So there's no cards or passes. This would be for cards or passes. And also we can take a screenshot by pressing this and the digital crown. Basically that's a screenshot. And then on the digital crown, we could also basically click it or press it for a little while. Actually, we might be, there we go. It's doing Siri. So here we say, Google Tech Crumbs.
I'm not sure I understand.
Google Tech Crumbs.
Here's what I found.
So basically you can use Siri if you're looking for something. So yeah, that's basically the buttons and the interface with it. Of course, you can go to anything you want and change settings, do all kinds of things, but basically those are the most important ones. Of course, if you have multiple watch faces, you can also go ahead and go sideways and move into different ones. And if you have different icons, you can press directly. So weather, we can go to weather here, and we can go backwards, and then we can check different locations, and then we can also go to our running and our circles. So basically we go here to our goals, and we can go back and we open Spotify. So you can choose all of this on the watch faces. But if you basically want to go into the menu, you would go here, or like I said, use your phone to go into the app and change things. So yeah, that's how you use the Apple Watch SE. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.